Do you know what are the top 5 attractions to visit in Chinatown, Singapore? The history of Chinatown, Singapore began with many Chinese immigrants starting living in selected areas. The site is mainly of Chinese culture spreading through the monuments, streets, and markets. Firstly, open the app trip.com. If you haven't had it on your phone, you may click the link below in the description box to get it. Then click on attractions and set a location in Singapore. Then search for the following attractions by their names. The first one is Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. And then the second one is Sri Mariamman Temple. And the third one is the Pinnacle. And the fourth one is NUS Baba House. The last one is Singapore City Gallery. If you're interested in one of them, simply click on it and you can check more details including the distance, rankings, and reviews.